Welcome. Are you ready to uncover the hidden truths about making money online? Would you like to expose the real struggles and pressures of pursuing internet wealth? Brace yourselves for some eye-opening revelations. 6 shocking stressors in online money making. Mind-blowing expectations. Think you'll strike it rich overnight? Think again. Online success demands time and dedication. Ambitious goals can lead to burnout and disappointment. Crushing loneliness. Going solo can be a thrill, but it can also be isolating. With no team to share triumphs and setbacks, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Paralyzing information overload. Unlimited resources at your fingertips can be intimidating. Different strategies and advice make decision-making a nightmare. Devastating scams and frauds. The internet is a minefield of scammers preying on hopeful dreamers. Sifting through legit opportunities and avoiding risks is frustrating and time-consuming. Suffocating financial pressure. Money is the end goal, but it's also a significant source of stress. Investing in courses, tools, and ads can stretch budgets to the breaking point, leading to anxiety and doubt. Overwhelming work-life balance. Juggling an online business with other responsibilities is tough. Unclear lines between work and personal life can result in burnout and exhaustion. Stay tuned for the next part of our series, where we'll unveil strategies to tackle these stressors and conquer the world of online money making. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Tips to overcome stressors. Set realistic goals. Don't get carried away with majestic dreams. Break your goals into smaller, achievable steps to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Keep track of your progress and celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. This will keep you motivated and focused on your journey. Find a support network. You don't have to do it alone. Connect with other online entrepreneurs through forums, social media, or local meetups. Share experiences, insights, and advice to build a sense of friendship and learn from each other's successes and failures. Practice time management. Establishing a healthy work-life balance is crucial for your well-being. Set aside dedicated time for work, and don't forget to take breaks and prioritize self-care. Use time management tools to stay organized and productive, and set boundaries between work and personal life. Stay informed and focused. Separate the noise and focus on reliable sources for advice and guidance. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices, but don't get pulled down with information overload. Remember, consistency and persistence are key. Protect yourself from scams. Conduct thorough research before investing in any online venture. Look for reviews, testimonials, and recommendations from trusted sources to avoid falling victim to frauds and scams. Embrace change and adaptability. The online landscape is constantly evolving. Stay open to change and be willing to change and adapt your strategies when needed. Resilience and flexibility will help you navigate the challenges of making money online. Making money online can be a challenging and stressful journey, but by recognizing the stressors and taking steps to manage them, you can find success and balance in your online pursuits. Subscribe for more videos on making money online and stress management tips. Do not hesitate to check out other engaging videos. Thank you.